Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube channel using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for youtube.com. Once you've done that, just go ahead and log in your account. And now you want to click on your profile photo here at the upper right corner of your screen. That's beside or at the right side of the notification bell. So now you want to click on create a channel, and here you can go ahead and put your um name of your channel. And now you want to set your handle. So I believe handle it's like a username. Other users or other people can search this here on YouTube so that they can find your profile or your channel easily. Okay. So now just go ahead and click on create channel. So now here, as you can see, you already have your channel. So that's so easy, right? So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.